Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make German rolls updated. Preheat the oven and gather flour, yeast, water, salt, and butter before starting. I'll walk you through activating yeast, mixing the dough, and kneading to the perfect elasticity. You'll learn simple timing cues and texture checks so you can bake consistent rolls every time. Stay relaxed, follow each step, and we'll get those golden, fluffy rolls together. Forming and proofing are where texture is decided, so be gentle and patient with the dough. I'll show how to divide and shape rolls for an even crumb and consistent oven spring. We'll proof in a cozy spot, learning timing and visual cues to know when they're ready for the egg wash. Small details like surface tension and seam placement make a big difference in the final bake. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more recipes. Quick recommendation: those leak-proof containers make meal prep and storing rolls effortless, and they keep sauces from making things soggy. They're compact, dishwasher-safe, and a small kitchen win that pairs surprisingly well with leftover rolls. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Baking transforms your effort into delicious rolls, so we'll cover temperature, timing, and steam tricks that boost oven spring. I'll explain how to apply an egg wash, when to rotate the tray, and how to judge doneness by color and internal feel. Cooling briefly on a rack prevents sogginess while the crumb sets. These finishing touches elevate your rolls from good to bakery level with small, reliable steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.